The contact section plays a crucial role in the functionality of LawOffice.ai, serving as a hub for managing key information. When examining the type of contacts, you'll notice several default types already built into the system. However, additional contact types can be created by an admin. This functionality will be explored in more depth in our dedicated admin tutorial series, which is only accessible to those with admin permissions. One of the most important contact types is the client. Clients are billable contacts, and cases can be assigned to them directly. When intaking a new case, your first step would be to create a client contact for the individual or entity. Once the client contact is established, you can seamlessly add a new case tied to that client. Finding contacts quickly is made simple through the search feature. As you type into the search field, the contact list dynamically filters to show matches with the relevant portions of the results highlighted for easy identification. Additionally, you can search for contacts by company, eliminating the need to remember individual names when company details suffice. At the top of the contact section, you'll find a series of action buttons. The New Contact button allows you to create a new entry in just a few clicks. Next to it are options to export your contact list to either an Excel or CSV file, making data management and sharing effortless. Clicking into a contact entry takes you to the Edit Contact page, which is divided into three main sections. The first section, Contact Details, lets you add or update any information about the individual. The second section, Found in Case, provides a comprehensive overview of all cases assigned to that contact, streamlining conflict resolution and offering quick reference. Finally, the Linked Contacts section enables you to associate multiple related contacts. For instance, if the contact is a lawyer, you could link their paralegal for easy access to associated profiles, ensuring seamless navigation between related individuals. By organizing contacts with these intuitive tools, LawOffice.ai ensures efficiency and clarity in managing your professional network.